How to propagate privet hedge cuttings. Privet is the common name given to several varieties of shrubs in the Ligustrum family. Two popular varieties are Japanese privet Ligustrum japonica and Chinese privet Ligustrum sinense. Privets have glossy, dark green leaves and produce strongly scented white flowers in the spring. The leaves grow thickly and close together, forming a dense shrub that can be trimmed into shapes or left to form a thick wall. Things you will need: garden clippers, rooting hormone, stick or pencil, potting soil, pots, water, plastic bags. Fill pots with a general-purpose potting soil. Fill 1 pot per planting. Cut off a 10 to 12-inch section of a privet branch. The best cuttings are the tips of growing branches. Take the cuttings in spring for the best results. Strip the leaves from the bottom 6 inches of the cutting. Dip the end of the cutting in water, then in the rooting hormone. The rooting hormone powder will stick to the cutting. Poke a hole in the soil at least 6 inches deep with a pencil or stick. Insert the cutting in the hole and firm the soil around it. Water the soil to dampen thoroughly. Cover the pot with a plastic bag and set in a protected location outside or inside. Keep the soil damp and the cutting covered until you notice new growth at the end of the cutting, typically up to 6 weeks. At the end of 6 weeks, remove the plastic bag. Keep the cutting in the pots for several months to allow roots to fully develop. Keep the soil moist but not soggy. In early fall, transplant the cuttings into the garden.